good morning. I'm with Erica May Tamangyan today, and she just presented to me the Teen Star International. Thank you so much, Kaisi Honorides, and then from Kai Productions of San Antonio, Texas. I know for sure that you will help more teens, kids, and teens sa ato ang pag-promote sa atong mga talents here in Toledo. So, moving forward, congratulations in advance, and good luck to more endeavors in your Teen Star International. Okay, and I'm happy to know that you are here in Toledo. So, madaghanon pa gid ni nato ang ilahang mga trainees in the near future, because Toledo will not only be known as a city of multi-awarded athletes, but Toledo will soon be known as Toledo with multi-awarded talents, not only for young at hearts, but for teenagers as well. So, hi, good afternoon, good morning, good day. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you for your time, dear.
Okay, so kanta sa before you go up.
Hindi ko prepare. Hindi ka na
Oh, nakakanta na ka no.
Sa tunog talaga.
Yeah, dali. Okay, yeah, sige.